How's your first piece of Halloween candy? Good? Good. Why are you making that noise? You don't have to eat the candy if you don't want it. I just thought you'd like a piece. I'll get you some other food instead, okay? You say bye-bye?
Bye.
Yeah, good job. Bye.